How to make full screen on Samsung Smart TV. So once you are here on this main home screen, go to Settings and from here choose All Settings. From here select Picture. From here go ahead and choose Expert Settings. Now from here scroll down all the way till the bottom. And over here, you'll be able to find picture size settings. In my case, the ratio is 16:9, which is the standard screen size, which is full size. Now, in case if you have 16:10 or other settings like 1:1 ratio, then you would be able to see the option to change to full size on your Samsung Smart TV. So since in my case the TV screen size has been set to full screen, that is 16:9 ratio, I'm not able to see the option to change. However, if your screen size ratio is different, you will be able to change it by following these easy steps. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.